So when you look at this bear, I want you to notice something really important. I didn't draw it. There's no outlining, there's no sketching, there's no trying to get it right before painting. So I built this bear using simple shapes and value, not any kind of drawing skills. And if the shape reads correctly and the values are in the right place, then your brain does all the rest. You don't have to paint fur, you don't have to paint tiny little details, you just need to suggest the form. And this is really one of the most freeing things you can learn as a painter, especially if you've ever told yourself, well, I just can't draw stick figures, so I'll never be able to paint. But I really want you to hear this clearly. You do not need to know how to draw in order to paint this bear. We built it out with shapes, not outlines. And if that feels encouraging, then I'd love to paint Mama Bear with you live on Zoom this Friday inside Let's Dabble. And you can join us over at letsdabble.com. All right, let's do it. I'll see you soon.